Nothing is back, and they have unleashed their first flagship, the Nothing Phone 3, with a design that is even crazier and promises a groundbreaking AI. Does it live up to the hype? Well, let's find out. Unboxing. The Nothing Phone 3 comes with a sleek minimalist box with that signature Nothing aesthetic. Inside, you get the phone itself, a USB-C to C cable, and some cool stickers. The packaging screams premium with a note to their transparent vibe. Design and build quality. Nothing has truly outdone themselves here. The Phone 3 pushes boundaries with its unique transparent design and the updated Glyph interface. It has got that signature futuristic vibe, but with even more sophistication. We are talking an IP68 rating of water and dust resistance, a durable glass back, and a premium metal frame weighing in at 201 grams. It feels incredibly solid and distinct in hand. It's a real head turner. Display quality. The Phone 3 sports a stunning 6.67-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep with a peak brightness of 4500 nits. Outdoor visibility is excellent. Whether you're gaming, streaming, the display is a joy to behold. Performance. Powered by a Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 paired with up to 16GB LP DDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, the Phone 3 fights through gaming, multitasking, and heavy apps. It's not the 8A Lite we know about, but it's snappy and efficient, handling everything you throw at it with ease. AI features. Nothing is making big promises on the AI front, and the Phone 3 delivers. We are seeing deep integration of AI features throughout Nothing OS 3.5, excellent intelligent battery optimization, smartphone enhancements, and a more personalized user experience that adapts to your habits. It is subtle but efficient, making the phone feel more intuitive. Software. Running on Android 15 with Nothing OS 3.5 on top, the software experience is clean, fast, and true to Nothing aesthetic. The Glyph interface now has even more customizable functionalities, acting as a visual indicator for notifications, charging, and more. And the best part, Nothing promises 5 years of OS updates and a whopping 7 years of security updates, ensuring your phone stays fresh and secure for a long time. Camera. Photography gets a major upgrade in Nothing Phone 3. It boasts a quad camera setup, a 15MP main sensor with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide, a 50MP periscope telephoto lens for impressive zoom, and a 50MP selfie camera delivering 4K video at 30 frames or 50 frames per second across all lenses. In test, the photos were sharp, colors accurate, and the periscope lens is a fantastic addition, offering incredible detail even at a distance. Low light performance is also commendable. Battery. Powering all this is a substantial 5500 mAh battery, which international markets gets 5150 mAh, but India gets 5500 mAh. This translates to an excellent endurance, easily getting you through a full day of heavy use. And when you need to top up, 65 watts wired charging gets you back in action incredibly fast, with 15 watts wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging for your accessories. Sound and connectivity. Stereo speakers deliver crisp audio, and connectivity is rock solid with 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and eSIM support. The under-display fingerprint reader is fast. The circle to search has a handy touch, and it has all the essential features you expect from a flagship. The price. The Nothing Phone 3 starts at $799, which translates to 799,999 Indian rupee and 1.6 million naira in Nigeria for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, while the 16GB 512GB model is at $899, which translates to 89,999 Indian rupee and 1.8 million naira. Is in the same price range with the iPhone 16 and Galaxy S25, offering flagship vibes at a competitive price. The Nothing Phone 3 is a bold step into flagship territory with a crazy design, stellar display, and versatile cameras. Nothing has truly delivered on its promise of a flagship experience. It is not perfect, but is a unique contender against the iPhone 16 and Samsung Galaxy S25. If you're looking for something that stands out from the crowd and offers a unique Android experience, the Nothing Phone 3 is definitely worth considering. What do you think about this flagship entry of Nothing? Does it worth the hype? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. From us to you, stay creative, live in the moment. Until we meet next time, bye for now.